Hello folks, welcome to my orchard videos and welcome to another tractor lineup for 2020. So, found another tractor that can be used for orchard, vineyard, and hobby farm and big farms as well. It's a European tractor. Name brand is right in front of you. Now this tractor is something different. It has many different features that other brands should use, but they don't. And we'll get to it. I'll show you a picture of the tractor. Now here's a skookum looking tractor. Very different looking. Some of the features about this tractor, really interesting features, are its four-wheel steering. So not articulating, but four-wheel steering. So, I think this would be an optimal tractor to be used in high-density orchards or vineyards, especially if vineyards don't have very limited turning access. This would be a tractor for it. Other than articulating, this would be the best tractor for you. So this company, I mean, it's a European company, and you can check them out online if you're interested. This particular one here, it's called the GeoTrac 60, and this one here is 75 horsepower. So this particular model comes in very many different widths and wheelbase. Well, wheelbase is standard, but the width you can change it with different kind of rims. You can get narrow rims, wide rims, whatever you want, tall, whatever you want, right? They do only come in cab version, so that's something you have to think about. But I think they're well designed and they're built very well. I haven't seen one ever in real life. I've only seen them online and through some videos I've seen on YouTube. So yeah, I think they look very well built tractor, and I'll have to put some specs. I don't know all the specs off the top of my head, but I'll put the specs about it in the description. You can have a look at those for yourself, and you can determine if it's a tractor that might be something you could use on your own property. You know, it's a pretty nice design tractor. So there's many different models, right from the GeoTrac 60 and up. There's many different. I think it goes up to 105 horsepower. This particular model, and then another model I'll be discussing too. So anyways, have a look at the video, or have a look at the pictures in the video, and if you're interested, check out the website. You never know, you might be able to import one into Canada or United States, wherever you're seeing the video from. And like I said, the selling point on this tractor is definitely the low profile cab and the four-wheel steering. So very interesting. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and share, and remember also to subscribe. Bye for now.